Meaning of God Save the Queen.
God Save the Queen.
God Save the Queen.
God Save the Queen.
God Save the Queen. God Save the Queen is a phrase commonly used as a patriotic song or anthem in the United Kingdom and some Commonwealth countries. The phrase is an appeal to God to protect the country's monarch and keep her safe from harm. It has been in use since the early 18th century, and its origins can be traced back to ancient Greek and Roman times, where prayers were offered for the well-being of the ruling monarch. In modern times, it serves as a rallying cry for national unity and pride, with its melody and lyrics evoking a sense of loyalty and devotion.